Hello everyone, welcome to Changbian's kitchen. It's getting cold, so we're going to eat some more Chinese cabbage. Today I am going to share a very delicious recipe with you. First, take out the Chinese cabbage leaves one by one and put them in a large bowl. Add a spoonful of salt and a spoonful of baking soda, then pour in the right amount of water. Let the Chinese cabbage leaves soak in water for 10 minutes. Next, prepare a potato and a carrot picked from the field and peel them both. Use a grater to grate them. If you have good knife skills, you can also use a knife to cut them into thin shreds. Boil a pot of water in advance and put the carrot and potato shreds in. Add a spoonful of white vinegar to make them crispier. Boil for 1 minute. After they are cooked, immediately take them out and rinse with cold water. Put a handful of soaked black fungus in the pot and cook for 1 minute. Take it out and rinse with cold water. Dry all the ingredients. Cut the black fungus into thin strips and put them in a large bowl. Add the carrot and potato shreds. Chop a handful of garlic into minced garlic, chop the green onions, and cut the millet pepper into circles. Put them all in a bowl. Add a spoonful of black sesame seeds and pour hot oil over it. Season with 2 spoonfuls of vinegar, 3 spoonfuls of light soy sauce, 1 spoonful of oyster sauce, 1 spoonful of chicken essence, and 1 spoonful salt and sugar. Mix the sauce well and set aside. At this point, the cabbage has soaked long enough. Soaking in salt and baking soda helps remove insects and pesticide residues, making it safer to eat. Rinse it twice with clean water. Then, use a knife to cut the cabbage into thin strips. The thinner, the better. After cutting, combine it with the other vegetables and pour the cold sauce we just made over everything. If you like a spicy flavor, you can also add some Sichuan pepper oil. Mix everything well, and it's ready to eat. This spicy and appetizing cold dish is crisp and refreshing. Serve it on a plate and bring it to the table. This version of cabbage is more enjoyable than eating big fish and meat. The recipe is also very simple. If you like it, save it and try it at home.